Okay, so I keep having camera problems. Can you guys see where it's dripping from? Right there. And this is going down now. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the upper hose. I don't have any fluid in the radiator. I'm just removing that so I can have a little bit of space. There's also some. Gonna take a look under here. See what's going on. Seal that's leaking. Yeah, I just might be this water pump seal that's leaking. So I have to take a look at that. I'm gonna try to remove this pump. First I gotta remove the pulley, then I'm gonna be working on removing. Okay, so I just lifted the radiator out. By lifting the radiator out, I was able to get the fluid up. So now that we have the fluid, I can take a look and see where it might be possibly leaking. So let me do that. Okay, so perfect. This is great. Oh man, guys, this is so good. So I'm gonna pull this off. All right. Just gonna set that there so everybody can see. Oh, that's not a 10. Well, that's a 12. And here I am, went looking for a 10. Okay. Okay, so this thing was full of water. You see how wet it is? And here we go. I'm just gonna show you guys. Can you see where it's leaking right there? Can you see where it's leaking?